Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make your own server tag on Discord. The first thing I want you to do is come here, click on your server name, and then click on server boost, and click here on boost this server. Click on boost this server again where you see server tag, and you need to buy at least 3 boosts, okay? Click here on continue and upgrade and pay for your boost. Click on continue to boost. And once we have boost activated, at least 3 for your server, click here on a nice, and then click here on server boost. And now we need to just disable this perk so we don't waste any boost. So we're getting 2 boosts back. Disable this, click on disable, and then scroll down under additional perks. We need to enable server tag. Now this will consume 3 boosts, which we have available right here. Click on enable, click on configure, and then come here to server tag under your server settings, and we can just enter a name. Make sure you enable server tag, enter a name. You can choose your icon as well and the color, and save your changes. And once you're happy with it, just come here and click on adopt tag. That's all you have to do, and it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.